I stumbled upon the typewriter at a yard sale, its keys dusty yet oddly inviting, a relic of forgotten times. Intrigued, I brought it home, placing it on my desk beside my bed. That night, I awoke to the rhythmic clacking of keys. The typewriter was typing on its own, the words forming an eerie narrative of a dream I had just experienced. Each night, it chronicled my dreams, dark, twisted visions that felt too real. As I read them, a chilling pattern emerged. These dreams were foretelling events that would soon happen. A car crash, a betrayal by a friend, a fire at my workplace. Each nightmare unfolded with terrifying accuracy in the days that followed. Desperate to stop the cycle, I tried to destroy the typewriter, but it reappeared every morning, pristine and waiting. The final nightmare typed was of me, alone and terrified, a shadow watching from the corner. As I glanced up, heart pounding,